You can't control genetics, but there are plenty of things you can do to increase the probability of living to a ripe old age. Hope to live to 100 years, then here are the 9 tips to increase your longevity. 1. Stay trim. Extra weight puts you at risk for heart attack, diabetes, cancer and other diseases that can shave years off your life. 2. Feed your head. Do crosswords, learn a new language, take up a hobby, and attend a lecture or any activities which keeps your brain active and engaged. 3. Stay fit. Regular exercise keeps your body strong and is the best insurance against disease and injury. 4. Eat well. Eat lots of whole grains, fruits, vegetables and proteins and cut down on salt, fat and sugar. 5. Laugh every day. A University of Maryland study found that 15 minutes of laughter a day can improve blood flow to the heart by 50%, which helps reduce heart disease. 6. Take a daily multivitamin. A report from Harvard Medical School advises a regular dose of supplements, including calcium and vitamin D that can help lengthen life. 7. Daily flossing. Poor oral health is related to a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies done at Emory University in Atlanta indicated that people with gingivitis and periodontitis have a higher mortality rate. 8. Be spiritual. Many large-scale studies show that people who regularly attend religious services live longer, happier and healthier lives. 9. Have a regular medical checkup. Many diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure and heart disease can be treated or even prevented if caught early enough, so have a regular medical checkup done. So these are the 9 tips to increase your longevity.